Alright folks, what's going on out there? Rooster here in Tennessee. Been a busy weekend, and this amp is for Mr. Keith. He wanted a remote with it, so we've got the remote hooked up to it here, single standard remote. Let's see, leave the amp in the off position when you plug it in, have the remote in the off position. Once you get it plugged in, you can completely turn it on and off with the remote. So that's working the way it should. 4-pill HG 454 recommended swing or peak power going in, 50 to 60 watts PEP is my recommendation. So a lot of the new Galaxy radios, the Mirage that I showed, stuff like that, relatively low drive on the dead key. Probably a watt and a half to 2.5, 3 watts going in is about where you want to be. Yeah, this radio dead key's about 3 watts on high, and that gives us about 50 watts dead key coming out. So that's where I'd want to be on it. You know, personal preference, you can run a little bit more, but we won't keep this thing tied up very long. We'll just get into it and show you what this guy does. So the Connex does about 50 watts peak, and on high it does about 20 watts average. When you turn it down to low, I think it goes down to 16 to 18 watts. But we'll just run it on high for reference of the video here. Our variable is wide open. Alright, see what we're drawing current wise. Audio 32 amps. We come over here to our watt meter. Audio bottom scale, that's 1,000 watt slug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Audio a little over 200 on the audio average. Go to PEP. Test 1, test 1, test 1, test 1, audio test. 1, 2, 3, 500 watts PEP all day long. If we put a little more into it, probably say 550 to 600. Audio, radio, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, audio test, 1, 2, 3, audio test, 1, 2, 3. It's doing good. On these, you know, I always recommend 14.5, but I will say that people are running these at 15 volts and having success with them. That being said, 15 volts, they will jump up in power and do considerably more power. And then again, you know, you go to drive it with the max recommended drive, 60 watts going in, you're going to see the power come up some more. So, had some people tell me they get these, put them on 15 volts, hit them with 60, 65 watts, and they see, you know, some people said they've seen 650 watts plus out of them. If you do, that's great. I just test them to make sure they're functioning properly. 14.5 volts, 50 watts in, and let it rip. Keith, man, I appreciate you patience. I've been a little slow getting to this one. Been a real busy, crazy week. Had a radio break we went to this weekend, and I got to meet a lot of fine folks there, and help them get some good equipment, and shake some hands and do some business. But anyway, Keith, I'll get this thing shipped out to you, man. I hope you enjoy it. I appreciate your return business, and I appreciate you trusting me to get you something here, man. So everybody have a good day. Questions, comments, complaints, let me know. Shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.